No sound in LDPlayer like games are silent or audio just isn't working. Yeah, let's fix that step by step. First, check the emulator's volume. Make sure it's not muted or set too low. Next, verify your system audio. Make sure the correct speaker or headset is selected. Quick fix, restart the emulator. This can restore audio instantly. The issue might be inside the app. Make sure sound is enabled in the game or app. Outdated drivers can break sound. Update your system audio drivers. Try switching output devices. Sometimes the default device doesn't work properly. Other apps can block audio. Close background apps using sound. Make sure you're using the latest version. Updates often fix audio bugs. If nothing works, reinstall. This resets all audio settings. So check volume settings, fix your audio device, update drivers, and restart if needed. That's the full fix for LDPlayer sound issues in 2026.